Friends, hello, the week is over. Let's talk about Bbig here and what we saw. So, I was projecting that we might see Bbig here, Vinco Ventures, go to a 180, 190 mark. Yesterday we got pretty close. We got down to a 198. And then apparently a lot of people bought in. And now we're ending the week here going back into a 206. So, we're ending the week even lower than we did last week. But funny enough, we're ending the week kind of where we started the week as well, at this 206. So this week did not go as bad as a lot of us thought it was going to. So here's what I want to say. Next week could still be a little bit of a bloodbath for Vinco here. But there are things coming up here that we need to pay attention to. And if you're looking to make a small trade here with Vinco Ventures, or you're saying like, hey, I'm just trying to buy myself out of this right now. I'm trying to buy as low as I can because when these next quarterlies come up here in the end of June here, and we have news of the Cryptid breakoff company actually coming to market, I want to use this as an opportunity to get out of Vinco or sell my shares and then buy back in at a later time. Completely understandable. That's what a lot of people are probably doing here. Or you're saying I'm just in this for the long run and I'm just buying every time it falls under a $2 mark or right at a $2 mark. So things to expect with Vinco Ventures here, what we're going to see here. Two things that we know right now. Vinco Ventures is being traded pretty heavily still. It's one of the most traded stocks right now on the market. Second, we do know that they will be releasing news here on the Cryptid spinoff company that is part of the whole echelon of Vinco Ventures. So that right there more than likely is going to drive up Vinco Ventures. And I've said this a million times, but one thing that we do know is that Vinco moves very heavily on big news. It has no problem going from a $2 to $3.50, from a $3 to a $4.50 mark. We've seen that time and time again. We are losing more ground each month with Vinco, but we have been here before at these low numbers and even shot up to a $5 mark. So that's why I say a lot of people are very suspicious that we're about to see a run up, that we're about to see a pretty hefty gain here, and why I know a lot of you are buying in right now Vinco at a very cheap price. So here's my game plan right now, what I'm going to do. I think we're going to have one more week of a bloodbath here, and let's get through this next week here. This will be mid in the month. Today, obviously, market fell apart. Inflation reports came out, job reports came out. Guess what? Not good. I think we all could have guessed that. But one thing that we know is that Vinco is running these low numbers right now. It's running these low, affordable numbers. There's lots of volume. There's a lot of buildup being had right now. And we've got news coming down the pipeline right now that's probably going to boost this thing up to a nice number here very soon. So friends, I'm looking for Vinco to take a little more of a hit. I'm still looking for that 180, that 190. I'm going to buy in with a hefty amount of shares, buying down my price, and I'm waiting for Vinco Ventures to have a pop here on news. After this news comes out, we'll see what we're sitting at with Vinco Ventures. Then we'll discuss what could be next with Vinco Ventures. So friends, with all that said, I really do wish everyone the best of luck. Have a great week, and I really mean that, friends. And we will be talking again here very soon. Remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in that future of yours, friends. I will talk to you very soon. Bye, everyone.